We're Cazzy and Bradley, and we're currently driving our camper van around the world. In this video, we're in the capital of Macedonia, and we stay in a castle-style Airbnb, go on full city break mode. Cheers! 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 And discover the best sights this city has to offer. Welcome to the Republic of Macedonia. So we're in North Macedonia, trying to get insurance at the border. The woman didn't know what to classify us as, even though it says van with windows. She was like, oh, but you're sleeping in it. So she gave us insurance and she said, I think it's okay. So that fills me with confidence. So I guess hopefully we just don't have an accident. It's country number 13. We made it. The first thing we're doing is heading to a coffee shop to do some work. How boring are we? But no, it means if we do it today, we can focus sightseeing the rest of the time. So good morning, North Macedonia. This was the wild camping spot we stayed at last night, and we got up early and made some coffee. And actually the restaurant behind me, we had food in last night and it was so cheap and so good. And like always now, we start our morning with doggies. You go say hello. Go say hello. Hello. Staying in a castle tonight. Well, kind of. It's a castle hotel room, and it looks really cool. And we are on our way up there now. Oh my god!
What? This is mad.
Gosh, there's a sword there.
Ooh, the heavy sword.
God. Take you up to my bedroom via my staircase. So random.
Oh wow! I love you. Look at that. We're in a little private balcony.
That's so cool. So I wanted to give you, I guess, an apartment tour of the castle. So I booked this place on Airbnb months ago because I thought it looked really cool in the capital of North Macedonia. And yeah, let's check it out. So you can either come up this way or you have your own private elevator over there. But this is the kitchen area, which is really cool. Massive fridges. Actually, so this space was apparently inspired by Gaudi and Dali. I think you can like easily tell that like from just all the little details. I mean, for God's sake, there's a bloody sword here. There's also a really cool dining area, and then look at this chandelier. I absolutely love a good chandelier. But there's 3 balconies. There's one over there. There's one out here. And look at these. It's like, why? But yeah, and then you've got a big dining table here. I don't even, yeah, it's just, there's so much detail everywhere. There's a water fountain there, but it doesn't actually work. But my favorite part here is this bloody staircase. Look at this. Is that not just the coolest staircase you've ever seen? But the staircase leads us up to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. And then another really cool balcony. Look at that. We're in full holiday mode now. Lunch for restaurants, a couple of cocktails.
And cocktails at lunchtime.
Woo! Cheers!
Not this silly.
So now we're all fed and watered, and now we're heading to the bazaar which is the second largest bazaar in Europe after Istanbul in Turkey. So maybe we'll find a fridge magnet. And what else do we need?
Shot glass.
And a shot glass.
You guys are not going to believe what I just managed to buy. It's got a real pair of Ray-Bans. You can see as well, Ray-Bans. 200.
Which is...
And I know what you're thinking. 200 euros. That's like pretty good for a pair of Ray-Bans. No. 200 dinar.
Which is like £2.
It's not even £3, yeah. Pretty good.
Just going back up to my castle in the private elevator. What you got there, Brad? Prosecco from Kosovo? Not Prosecco, Prosecco, because you can only get Prosecco.
I don't know if they're trying to be funny.
We'll see what it tastes like. Yeah. Ooh! Oh, I didn't do it! First time in a while.
My face over the bottle.
Cheers. I don't think it tastes like Prosecco, but Prosecco.
Oh, that's cheap.
After some drinks, we decided to head out and see the city at night. The city at night is just beautiful. Brad chose a pretty nice restaurant, which again is just great value.
Crazy.
Cheers. Good night. So,
Time to leave.
we're leaving it now. We're gonna be downgrading from being kings and queens to just regular old Cazzy and Bradley. Bye, apartment. So we checked ourselves into a Hilton for a couple of nights because they have a really nice gym, a really nice spa, really nice rooms, but it's really cute. They give you a cookie. I already ate it. A warm cookie as a welcome, but it is so nice to have this big double bed. We've got Mario Kart on the go. We've got room service on the way. Who are we?
Oh, loving life right now. Oh, been for a workout earlier, we had a swim.
I know, cannot complain.
We decided to do a walking tour to learn more about the city.
And they came up with something extraordinary. They discovered a settlement which was eventually dated around 4,000 years before Christ. I'm saying that's like a late Neolithic period. And with that we have the proof that the people lived in this area continuously for at least 6,000 years. Turkish tea, small cup is 20 Macedonian dinars, which is roughly 30 cents. And you know, I'm talking about the touristic place around the city, so
Yeah.
you can imagine. So what are the prices in a place which is not that touristic? It's cheap, you know, you're gonna spend less money if you come here for the weekend rather than if you stay back home.
That's true.
This nice lady, she makes those Turkish sweets every day, always fresh. But first thing I said, I will take you here because of a Turkish sweet, a very famous name. She makes one of her baklavas, and maybe you can see that one of the baklava is called Angela Merkel.
Oh, right. Okay, cool. Thank you.
No one
Oh, right,
shares
oh
nothing.
no. Okay. I'm gonna record this bite.
I think one should, one because
You're married?
no.
Oh my god.
That's still not time for sharing.
It's really
You
sweet.
let us share.
After our time in Skopje, we headed for the wine region, and that's where we start our next video. Thanks for watching.
I think I started playing Mario Kart with Brad. When did I get this? For Christmas?
Yeah.
Last year. And today is the day that he finally overtook me.
The champ now.
Yeah, that's it for me.
Victory drink.
If you want to make your girlfriends princesses, then there is a place to get a tiara from.
I've seen them. They look amazing.
Yeah.
I really want one, but where would I wear it?
That's sketchy. It's like glass.